Every day, you and I are operating in one of two gears. Most of us live in the first one. It's called coping mode. Everyone meet Alex. And a few of us have found the second. It's called savoring mode. Everybody meet Sam. These aren't just different moods. They are fundamentally different operating systems for your life. And the one you use most determines everything. So, what are they? Coping mode is defensive. It's your brain's emergency response to life's pressures. The goal is to survive the day, to get through the to-do list, to avoid pain and overwhelm. It's necessary sometimes, like when you're facing a real crisis. But when it becomes your default, you're always bracing for impact. Savoring mode, on the other hand, is receptive. It's not about ignoring problems. It's about actively engaging with the good, even the small moments. The goal is to absorb the joy, to find meaning in the mundane, to participate in your own life. It's about making the good moments stick. Coping asks, how do I get this over with? Savoring asks, what can I get out of this? This isn't just philosophy. It's biology. Chronic coping keeps your stress hormones high. But savoring releases dopamine and oxytocin. It literally rewires your brain for happiness and resilience. The good news, you can switch modes. It doesn't require a month-long vacation. It happens in tiny, deliberate pauses. Let's go back to Alex. Stuck in a long meeting, deep in coping mode, the trigger for a shift can be incredibly simple. That's it. That's the shift. In this moment, Alex wasn't trying to solve a problem or escape a feeling. Alex is simply savoring. He has anchored himself in a present moment sensation, enjoying his coffee. And that tiny crack in the door is all it takes for savoring mode to enter. You will have to cope today. Life demands it. But you don't have to live there. So here's my challenge for you. Just once today, I want you to create a savor moment. When you feel the sun on your skin, stop for 3 seconds and truly feel it. When you take the first bite of your meal, don't just eat it. Taste it. When you hear your child laugh or finish a small task, let the feeling of completion land. Don't just let the good moments pass by as a blur between crises. Linger there. For 5 seconds, that's all. Because a life savored isn't a life without problems. It's a life where joy isn't just a visitor. It's a resident. The quality of your life isn't just determined by what happens to you. It's determined by what you do with what happens to you. Will you just cope with the day? Or will you find a moment to savor it? If this idea resonates with you, give this video a like and share it with someone who might need to hear it. And for more ways to find joy in the everyday, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.